Hey everybody, Ryan here from Android Calls. I'm here to do an unboxing of the Amazon brand new Fire 7 tablet. This, let's set our expectations. This is only 80 bucks. 80 bucks, and you have a tablet that, a guy like me probably won't want, but there's going to be somebody out there who does. I mean, that's pretty much in the price range of an e-reader, and you can do more with it. Now, it only has 16 gigs of storage on it. It only has 2 gigs of RAM. It's only a quad core processor. It's a 7-inch display. So it doesn't have a lot going for it in terms of like spec wise, but you know what? 80 bucks. You can't argue, and it's going to run Android, so you can do a bunch of things. It only has 16 gigs of storage, but it does have a SD slot, so if you want to put more movies on for the plane, whatever. And we got chargers in there probably. I'm going to assume those are chargers way down there at the end. Let's see. Yeah, chargers and little mini instruction manual. So this is pretty teeny tiny. Now, I say that just because I've been comparing all my tablets to my Galaxy S4 tablet. Yeah, teeny tiny, nice little rugged, hard composite back on it so that you can do that a little more. I imagine this is really great for kids, hence they have the Roblox on the back. Yeah, so it'll be interesting to try. We're immediately getting some grease all over my fingerprints. But we have power and volume rocker. We have USB-C. We have, whoops, almost knocked over the phone. Have the headphone jack connector there, and then the Amazon Smile. It's got a 2 megapixel camera in the front and a 2 megapixel camera on the back to do some video conferencing if you need it. All right, so I'm going to fire it up and play around with it a little bit, and we'll tell you what I think for an $80 tablet. Great. Thanks, everybody.